Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. I just got back from Target a while ago, and I picked up this Crown Royale box, hoping to get something cool out of there. So yeah, it's got 1 autograph and 1 mem card per box on average, 5 cards per pack, 4 packs per box, and so that is 20 cards. The last box of this I did not do that great, but hopefully in this one I can do better. So there's kind of the box setup, packs, and Dak. So we'll just get right into this first pack here. Yeah, I haven't seen too great of stuff pulled out of here, but you know. McCoy, Cutler, and Corey Coleman out of 49. He's not having a terrible year, but so yeah, and then Le'Veon Bell. All right, that one's a little thicker. So next pack, we got Amari Cooper, and here's the numbered card of Josh Doxson out of 149, 134 of 149, and the next 2 will be hits. First one, the autographs are thick stock. Jordy Nelson, no, Kenny Britt, Paxton Lynch, and it's a Redskin of, I don't even really know his name. Oh, it's the autograph of Kendall Fuller. Not even numbered, but got a nice Paxton Lynch rookie in that pack, and pop. Then last one, this will have the relic in it. Antonio Gates, Kirk Cousins, Paul Perkins, and Dak Prescott. Oh my gosh.
Sick.
Out of 250, Dak Prescott. What? Oh my gosh. No way. Dak Prescott. Holy smokes.
Nice.
Oh my. That's the best box I've ever opened. Oh my gosh. And Allen Robinson. Hands down, best box this year. Dak Prescott. I don't even want to touch it. Out of 250. Oh my word. Pink. Dak Prescott. Holy smokes. What a box. And even though the autograph was not that good, Patch came back and did it. Woo! Oh, wow. Okay, well, that was best box ever right there. Thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe, and comment. Peace. Wow.